Hello everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome to my channel Sandy Take. So today we are going to see how to do data consolidation in Excel. So first we will know what is the definition of data consolidate in Excel. So you can consolidate data from each sheet into a master worksheet. The sheets can be in the same workbook as the master worksheet or in other workbooks. When you can consolidate data, you assemble data so that you can more easily update and aggregate as necessary. So this is the definition. Now we will see one business scenario wherein we have three sheets with the different values. Uh, so we'll consolidate in sheet 4. So I'm going to share my Excel sheet. So now, as you can see, there is a three small data sets with the some numbers, which is count of employee uh, among all regions: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Patna. So we have all list of employees here. So in the second sheet, we have the same detail with the different count of employees, but in a different cell address. So similarly, we have the same thing available in sheet 3, where our data starts from A10 with the different count of employees under each region. So now what do we do first? First, we'll try to do uh, by keywords, like keyboards. We'll try to do. So first, we'll do control home. We'll press control home. Then we'll press control shift asterisk so that it will select the current region. Now we'll define some name for the current region. So on the top left, uh, we have some cell address. So we have to replace that cell address with our uh, customized name. Like suppose I'm keeping it this current region as data 1. Now we'll go to second sheet. Again, we'll select the first cell of the data set and we'll press Control Shift Strict, so it will select our non-blank cell as current region. Now again we'll rename the cell address as data 2. Again in sheet 3 we'll do same thing, Control Shift Strict. Now again A10 we have to replace by data 3. So now if you come to top left corner, you can visit all your regions, all your range. You have all three range across all the sheets. So now you have stored your range into this defined range name. Now we'll open a new sheet. Okay, wherever you want to consolidate, you can select first that cell. So suppose I want in A1 uh, to be consolidated from all the uh, data. So we'll select A1, then we'll go to data tab, select consolidate. So we'll click on consolidate. So here the first option is a function, like what kind of arithmetic calculation you want to do for those data, those three ranges which we have in our sheets. So suppose I want to do sum, so I'll put sum. Then it is asking the reference. Reference means first set of data, like whatever you have in sheet 1, you would like to give that data as your first reference. But now instead of giving range, we have already defined uh, the range name, so we can give directly. So first name is data1. Okay, now click add. Below all references slot, you can see the data1 is already selected. Similarly, we'll come again to the references box, and again we'll put the second range, which is data2. Then again we'll press add. Then again we'll go, similarly we'll do for data3, and we'll click on add. So now all three data is added. Now we have other two options: use label in and create links to source data. We'll do in a next step. First we'll execute this and see how we are getting the data. So now as you can see, you have consolidated the number. It has been added from all three sheets and given the number in B1 for the first cell. Basically that is for Delhi, and in the month of January, 452 is the total number of employees. Now you can see there is no labels, column labels, sorry, row labels and column labels is not appeared here because we have left unchecked those options which we got in the last slot. Use label in and create links to the source data is the third one. We'll see later. First we'll check on these two labels, which is top row and left columns. So we'll click and we'll execute again. As you can see, we have executed and we got the column labels and row labels. So the importance of that check boxes is to add the label and remove the label. Now the last option we have is create links to the source data. Suppose now you do any changes in January, okay, like 180, I give the number of employees, and you can come to sheet 4. It is not getting changed. That means it is not linked to the uh, other sheets. Like if you update it, automatically it is not getting update in the consolidated sheet. So what we will do, we'll again remove all those result and we'll try to create again from the beginning. So we'll select A1, then we'll click on consolidate. Now all three reference we will delete it so that we can do it freshly. So select data1, delete, select data2 and 3 and delete it. So now we'll select again data1. You can see it is getting selected automatically. Data2, and the third one is data3. Now we'll check boxes and we'll check that create links to the source data option. So now we can see we have got the consolidated result here. Now we'll go to sheet 2 and we'll change January data to 112 from 112 to 200, and we'll see is it updating automatically or not. So now we'll go to sheet 4 and we can see the January numbers are getting changed because we have clicked the dynamic option, which is create links to the source data. So yeah, this is uh, this is all as of now. uh, Please like, share and subscribe our channel Sandy Take. See you in the next video. Thank you.